Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, you need to access Play Store and download your new defaults. As you can see, I already did that, so I can go into devices settings right away. Now click on apps, select default apps, and tap on one of those sections. In my case, I want to switch my browser app, so I have to click here. Tap on Firefox in order to apply it and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!